This is the BP Doctor Med. It is a cuff-borne blood pressure reading smartwatch similar to the BP Doctor Pro released about 3 years ago, but higher accuracy. Tap the middle, you come into the blood pressure reading section. Tap the start, hold your arm right up next to your heart, and an amazing thing happens. The bladder that you can barely see right here starts to expand against your wrist, and there's another bladder down here that actually compresses your wrist just like a cuff you would put up in your upper arm with a blood pressure device. And this is giving you, they claim, accuracy to within plus or minus 5% of your standard blood pressure readings, which is really darn good. It's primarily for blood pressure. It does have some other goodies. It can do sleep tracking. It can do some limited exercise tracking. Of course, step tracking is incorporated in it as well. And other than that, you really want to use this one for doing the blood pressure reading analysis. Takes it a while. It's a small bladder in here. We'll skip ahead. I can really feel my wrist compressing right now. Yep, and there, it released, it let it go, and there's my 129/84 with a heart rate of 81. Very interesting technology in this one. It's compact. It has about 7 days of battery life on a charge, and it's got 2 chargers that come with it. It's the bands are non-removable, of course, because the bladder technology is built directly into them and into the bottom of the watch itself. Again, it is called the BP Doctor Med upgrade from the BP Doctor Pro. Both are still available. Check it out.